Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. Yesterday, we started a poem named Malala. We know the poem was written by Ron Mendry, and the poem is about Malala Yousafzai. Who's Malala Yousafzai? Yes, Malala Yousafzai is a young activist from Pakistan. From an early age, Malala has championed the cause of education for children in her home country. She won the 2014 Nobel Peace Prize at the age of 17. What does the first stanza of the poem says? In the first stanza of the poem, we can see that the dark aspect of the countries, especially the countries like Pakistan, where the girls' education is forbidden. Malala was born in such a place where there is only darkness for them, and the light of knowledge is forbidden for them. They have to hide their sparks, the talents in them. The poet also says that as long as there is the radiance of goodness flourish, the courage and kindness will always survive. And Malala is a very good example of this kindness and courage. Now we will move on to the second stanza. Malala Yousafzai, a girl with a heart, vowed to be true to make a new start. She demanded to know, in consternation, how dare they take away my education? What does this stanza say? Malala Yousafzai, a girl with a heart. Here the word heart means compassion, love, and courage. So the poet tries to tell us that Malala Yousafzai is a girl with a heart. She is a brave girl. She has taken a vow that she will always stand by the truth and she will make a new start for all those who are in darkness. Vowed to be true to make a new start. That means Malala has taken a vow to be true and to make a new start for all those who were in darkness. See the next two lines. She demanded to know in consternation, how dare they take away my education? Malala demanded to know in consternation. Consternation means a feeling of worry or the shock of confusion. Malala demanded to know in consternation, how dare they take away my education? That is, even in consternation, even in those hard times, even when she was restricted to gain education, she was not allowed to raise her voice. Even then, in that circumstances, she raised her voice and she questioned that how dare they take away my education? In other words, how dare the people take away the right to education of the girls? These lines shows us that Malala is a very courageous girl and is full of energy of getting education. This line tells us that Malala is not afraid. She stands up for her rights. How dare they take away my education? Whom does the word they refer to here? Who has taken away her right to education? Yes, the word they refers to the terrorists of Taliban. They have taken away her right to education. The word dare shows her boldness against the Taliban people. So, Malala is not afraid. She stands for her rights. Is it clear, children? Okay. Now, let me ask some questions. Look at the line. How dare they take away my education? Who said these words? Yes, Malala Yousafzai said these words. Who has taken away her right to education? The terrorist of Taliban has taken away the right to education. What does this line tell us about the speaker? This line tells us that Malala is a very courageous girl. She is not afraid. She stands up for her rights. Is it clear, children? Okay, I hope all of you understood this stanza. We'll go through the third stanza in the next class. All of you read the two stanzas that we have learned so far. Copy the meanings and question answers and study today itself. We'll meet again tomorrow. Take care, children. Thank you and have a nice day.